Hi guys, my name is Darren Norman and you're watching Plugtv. Don't touch it.
Okay, my name is Stephen Okonkwo. I'm the writer of Sola. I'm looking forward to seeing the audience enjoy this beautiful movie this evening. I had a lot of fun writing it, had a lot of fun, putting it on the script. So I hope the audience get the same enjoyment I got from making it.
What it do, people? It's your boy Shady, and I'm at the premiere of Soole, the movie, executively produced by Adunni, the amazing actress turned producer, and I can't wait to see how much magic she has created in this, alongside the amazing director Kayode. I know it's going to be incredibly amazing. I already saw the trailer, and I'm super excited. So I can't wait to go check it out. What's going on, guys? My name is SODK. I'm an actor and we are here for the premiere of Sola, the movie. Obviously, you should expect excellence, you should expect action, comedy, all sorts of great stuff from the movie because everybody in it put their 100%. So you should see it. I can't wait for you to see it. Bless up.
Hi guys, my name is Darren Norman. I'm an actor and I'm here at the premiere of Sola, the movie by Kayode. I know this is going to be a wonderful movie because I've been opportunity to work with Kayode on several occasions, so I know definitely Sola is going to be a must watch when it comes out in the cinema. So I can't wait for it to come out. So when it comes out, please guys, go and watch it.
Hi, my name is Steve Chooks. I'm an actor, content creator, and I'm at the premiere for Soole. I hope I got pronunciation right. I think this movie is a beautiful movie because from the trailer and the teasers we've seen, it seems promising, and I love the actors in it, so I can't wait to see it, all right?
I'm looking forward to watching it again, and I'm going to pay for a few tickets for a few fans to come watch it as well. Adunni is my friend, so I'm so proud of her. More importantly, because I'm also in an equity phase, ownership. And so since she's there as well, so we'll give her all the support she needs. Congratulations, Adunni. I'm proud of you. Can't wait for you to make perhaps the sequel and many more movies. Salute.
Nice movie. I like all the subplots within the story. When people touch social issues, they kind of get to me, and I love the issues that were treated in the movie, and I think the pictures were beautiful.
Soole, ladies and gentlemen, don't judge a book by its cover.
It was actually a great movie. So the later part of the movie, I wasn't expecting it. I thought everything was going to happen in the boss, but then when I saw the switch to the other part, it was interesting. The action was seriously, most of the things I saw in the movie, I wasn't expecting it. So I loved it. It's been a while I saw a Nigerian movie, a Nollywood movie, and this one blew me out. So I love it. It was a good movie.